Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic pho. First, gather your essential ingredients, starting with about 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones, including knuckle and marrow bones, for a rich foundation. Next, char 1 large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame until fragrant. Toast whole spices like 6-star anise pods, 1 cinnamon stick, and a few cloves in a dry pan for about 1 minute to release their aromas. Achieving a truly authentic pho broth requires patience. After blanching, combine your bones, charred aromatics, and toasted spices in a large pot with about 6 to 8 quarts of water. Simmer this mixture gently for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even longer for a deeper flavor. Season the broth with about 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rock sugar, and salt to your preference, adjusting as it reduces. The noodles and toppings are crucial for a complete pho experience. Opt for fresh flat rice noodles or rehydrate dried ones, cooking them just until tender, not mushy. For the meat, thinly slice about 1 pound of raw beef, like eye of round or sirloin, against the grain. Essential garnishes include a generous handful of fresh cilantro, thinly sliced green and white onions, and a few lime wedges for brightness. Now for the exciting part, assembling your authentic pho bowl. Place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into a large bowl. Arrange your thinly sliced raw beef and any other cooked meats, such as brisket or meatballs, on top of the noodles. Carefully ladle the steaming hot broth over everything. The heat will perfectly cook the raw beef. Serve with a side of fresh basil, bean sprouts, jalapeno slices, and hoisin and sriracha sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.